Interested in more security in your machining process? You can achieve that by having multiple axes. This machine, the L3000 behind me from Okuma, is available from stock. It's got a sub-spindle, a Y-axis and driven tools.
So this machine is an Okuma Genos L3000E MYW. It's a driven tool machine with Y-axis and sub-spindle, with a 10-inch and an 8-inch chuck, enabling the customers to do the part in one hit. We're selling these machines to multiple subcontractors who are embracing the idea of unmanned running through the night. So couple these up with a bar feed, with a parts catcher and maybe a parts conveyor as well, will allow you to run through the night and get many more parts off while you're sleeping. Any customer can benefit from having a sub-spindle and a Y-axis because it means you can get the parts off in one, a turning operation and a milling operation without swapping between machines. Engineers love the quality of Okuma, the speed, the reliability, rigidity and thermal stability. And this particular machine is available from stock, as are many others, and available in a matter of days.
So if you thought an Okuma was out of your reach, think again. These machines are going into machine shops up and down the country. If you're interested in this L3000 that's available from stock here at NCMT, drop them an email at sales@ncmt.co.uk.